Whoa, smashing it.
Yo, how's it going people? In today's video we are installing my new 19 16-inch wheel set by WGT Racing. Right now you can see I'm unboxing the wheels. We'll then get the tyres on, get the wheels installed on the bike and see how it feels with that 16-inch rear wheel on the track. I went for a brown on black colourway, black rims and black spokes with brown hubs and brown spoke nipples. I opted for the 16-inch rear wheel as the stock 19-inch lacks traction and I feel you're quite limited when it comes to upgrading the tyres, especially if you want something that's thicker and fatter. Once you do that with the 19-inch, then that throws the geometry off even further, you risk smashing your mudguard when going over jumps. It's an absolute nightmare.
Damn!
The 16-inch rear wheel provides the solution for all of that. It gives you access to a much wider range of tyre options, which not only improves grip and traction, but also makes the bike look and feel incredible. We got some cheeky stickers included in the box, and both wheels came with both the spacers for both the wheels included as well. So you can see here I'm applying the rim tape before fitting the tyre, which is super important so your inner tube doesn't rub on the inside of your rim causing a puncture. And I'll show you guys a brief time lapse of me installing the 16-inch rear tyre. Tyres wise, I went for the Kenda 262 dual sport tyres, 2.75 19 in the front and 3.0 16 in the rear. I ride 60% street, 40% trails, and with the weather here in the UK now beginning to pick up as we move into spring and soon summer, I thought these tyres would be the perfect options for me. Both tyres went on quite nicely. I did use a tyre changing kit from Amazon which came with everything I needed, including rim guards, which are an absolute must if you don't want to scratch up your new rims.
If I'm in the house and it's like wet and dark and thundery, no, I love it.
The kit itself was really cheap and I also bought the rim tape off Amazon. I'll leave a link to them in the description below if you want to check them out for yourself. Now the tyres are on, I'm going to remove the old stock wheels. I used a size 6mm Allen key along with a 17mm spanner or wrench if you're American to remove the rear wheels. I then went ahead and removed the rear sprocket and the rear disc, as you can see here. I do plan on getting a new sprocket and rotors in the future. I'm not sure whether to go black or bronze for those. Drop a comment down below which you think would look better, brown sprocket and rotors or black. If you're not subscribed already, then do us a solid and hit that subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, then you're an absolute legend and I massively appreciate it. Here you can see I'm reinstalling the rear sprocket and the rear disc. I did give both discs and the sprocket a good clean before I reinstalled them on the nice new fresh wheels. When reinstalling the rear wheel, the rear brake caliper mount just sits on the side of the swing arm, so be mindful of that. Don't forget to apply some grease to the rear axle before locking everything in, and then double check your chain is nice and tight or as tight as it needs to be. Mine's probably a touch slack, so I'm going to tighten that up. So I'm going to remove the front wheel now. I won't bore you with taking off the disc, etc. So we'll do a straight swap and get the front wheel back on. Again, all we're doing is removing the pinch bolts. We'll undo the axle bolts, remove the axle bolt, bang the wheel back on, pop the bolt back in, and again, don't forget to grease the bolt. So we're just reversing the steps now, popping the spacers on, getting the axle bolt through there, and don't copy me, use a rubber mallet to whack the axle bolt back through. So that's the wheels back on. Let's see how she looks. Here is a before with the 19-inch setup. And here is the after. Boom. Absolutely sick. I think you'll agree the bike is sitting properly now, and the brown and black really complement the green frame. I think it adds a touch of class, and the attention to detail on the wheels is absolutely beautiful. I cannot complain at all. Right, that's enough admiring the beast. Let's go out on the track and see how she performs. So we're back at SX Works today, testing out the new 16-19 wheel set from WGT. Also got a Lecky power here as well. Shifty e-bikes. It's mint. There he is, Shifty e-bikes. The traction with the 16-inch rear just makes all the difference. All the difference. Transforms the bike. They should just come with them as stock. I won't be surprised if they do that in the future. Got the new Kenda 262 tyres on, 275 in the front, 3.0 in the rear. Feeling like I should have maybe gone a bit fatter in the rear, but they're holding up fine. I was a bit worried that they might be a bit slippy on this terrain, but they're holding up nicely, to be fair. Providing good amount of grip. Getting more confident with these jumps now. I absolutely fucking love these wheels, man. So much better. Shout out to TS12 Sir on as well, on his Ultra BA, absolutely flying. This kid is 13 years old and he throws the Ultra B round like it's absolutely nothing. He was putting us all to shame. Look at that, legend. Right people, so as you can see from that clip there, I'm absolutely buzzing with these wheels, really happy with the performance and how the bike feels so much more nimble, so much more stable. Massive thank you to WGT Racing for building me a custom wheel set and being able to accommodate to my preferences. It's really difficult to find brown coloured upgrades, the closest thing being bronze, and even that's hard to come by. I wanted a slight more brown tinge and they've definitely pulled it out of the bag. If you've not noticed already, WGT also included my name lasered onto the hub, which is the cherry on top. A big thing to me is customer service. WGT came recommended by a friend, however, when you're parting with larger sums of money, you do want to do your own research, and I can honestly say I couldn't find a bad word said about this company. I dropped him a message and he went above and beyond for me. Customer service was absolutely top quality. I did buy these wheels with my own hard-earned cash, and I was going to do an honest review regardless. However, WGT Racing has been kind enough to give you guys a discount. So if you are looking for a new wheel set, be it stock size but a stronger, more durable wheel, or you want to do what I've done and go with a 1916 setup, then visit WGT Racing website and use code JAMMY at checkout to save yourself some extra dollar. I'll leave a link in the description, and as always, I hope you've enjoyed the video and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy and peace out.